shortcuts in pCon.basket. My name is Tim and today I'll show you some essential shortcuts in pCon.basket that will enhance your workflow. Let's start with the catalog. With a single click on F6, you can open it in the article list at any time. And this takes you directly to the last open catalog entry, allowing you to easily insert multiple articles one after another. In the article list you can quickly create a new folder with F3. Existing folders or manual articles can be renamed with a click on F2. You can copy selected positions with the familiar Ctrl+C shortcut and paste them with Ctrl+V. Use Ctrl+X to cut positions and clicking Delete removes selected items. If you're using pCon.basket on a Mac, press the Command key instead of the Control key. To precisely organize your article list, hold down the Control key and use the arrow keys to move or indent positions. Move the selected position up, down, indent it, or move it back a level. If you want to select all positions in your list at once, you can do this with Ctrl+A. You can also select a range of the list with Ctrl+Shift and a mouse click. And finally, if you ever need help, you can click F1 at any time to access the Help Center, where you find detailed program information and additional tutorial videos. Use the knowledge of the essential shortcuts to make your work with pCon.basket even more efficient. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.